Hey friends, in this video I will explain you how to generate professional headshots with the best AI headshot generator. You can see the most photorealistic and customizable AI headshot generator. You can open betterpic.io. So the website URL is this. Here you can get studio quality AI professional headshots without a photographer or even a studio shoot. So you can pick from 150, more than 150 styles they have, and you can done your job, your task in less than 1 hour, and 100% money back guarantee. So if you upgrade and still if you are not satisfied with the services, you can get a 100% money back guarantee, and you can customize your work, your task with the artificial intelligence or human editors. So you can see three simple easy steps. So you can select your outfits and backgrounds and upload a few pictures of yourself and enjoy your new professional AI headshots. And you can see you can customize your photo with AI. So saw something you wish to edit, customize your own photos with BetterPic AI Studio, or even request a whole new batch in a new styles where you can find clothing, background, and Magic Fix, Magic Eraser. You can expand skin corrector, eyes, human edit, remove background, and color BG. Color background also. You can change the background color of your photos or create a new visual aesthetic. And you can remove the background. You can easily remove the background from your photos to create a clean and professional look. So a lot of things you can do here. So you can see the dashboard. Check out our AI Studio, and this is the home page of the website, and here you can see some Studio 4K quality hyper realistic. This is, you can see low quality, obviously AI generated image, randomly generated faces, but see this one with BetterPic, you can see incredible. And you can see 4.5 rating of 29447 2947 reviews. So a lot of positive reviews, and they also offer 100% guarantee. So you can start without any hesitation. There are free plans: basic, pro, and expert. I will recommend you to start with the pro plan, and you will find also the link in my description of the video, so you can buy from that link. And so we can start from here, like get started, or you can click on dashboard. See, the dashboard is here, and you can see I'm here. If I click on, see, if I go to the home page, get started, I will log out from here. So first time you will log in or sign up from, you can continue with Google, or you can type your own email address. Send code to email. So I will put the email and it will verify and log in. So once you register and sign in, so you can read carefully the terms, you can choose the package, and you can see now your order details where you can type your full name. If you are trying this for your company, you can turn on this. You can select your ethnicity, like Asian I selected. You can select if you are Indian, or if you are African, or if you are Black, or if you are other. You can select as per your ethnicity, and use case like 3 selected. I selected CV, resume, business cards, and email signature, and online platforms like Upwork, Slack, Teams, and etc. Well, I have to tell them either you are male or female, non-binary, for example, or eye color you will have to tell, and then you can save and next. And styles, you can see I selected urban, and here you can pick your place like education, legal, medical, Christmas, office. You can select according to your profession, and according to your profession you can select your clothing style like casual, business, formal, and smart casual, medical, or Christmas. If you select like business and choose clothing color, you can select like I select burgundy, edit style. So we have added we have added the styles option as well. Now click on continue. And now here you can see, please take some time to read our guide below, as it will directly affect the quality, your portfolio quality. So you can see the photos that you should upload, like the close-ups, selfies, as like you can see here, good, with good quality and lighting. Recent pics, not like this, you can see. And no heavy filters. You should not use heavy filters in your images, and no funny expressions in your images. Just with a little bit smile, and you can see the selfies like this. So you can crop photos also. You can upload group photos or wider shots and crop them to your liking. Keep one person and preserve image quality. So ready to upload 8 photos. So image generation, we have saved your progress so far. You can come back and continue anytime. So till here, your progress has been saved. So you can close it, and if you want, and you can come anytime, and you can come back anytime and continue from here. So upload from your computer or scan the QR code to access your mobile device. So if you want to upload, you can upload from here, or if you want to scan this QR code from your mobile device, so you can access the process from where you can upload the photos or images. So we can see here, we can upload from here, and from the desktop I will select my images, like you can see this, and open. So it processing 8 photos, and average quality, photo quality, you can see my quality, it's more than 80%. It's amazing. So you can see it's normal casual images, selfies, and with a little bit smile, and average quality, all pictures 85%. So it's amazing. Some of them has 88%, 85%, 86%. So average, they are saying me like 85%. So this is the feedback from BetterPix AI. A smile would make your photo even better. See, as I told you, ensure good lighting to take your photo from good to great. And 7 of 8 photos has been approved, and we can see one photo is discarded. See, discarded photos, this one. Please add a waist up photo. You can see here, we need to add, please add a waist up photo here. So let's try another one, like I have in my personal, this one, and see if they process and approve it. This is also discarded, no problem. So let's try with another one. Yes, this is approved. So you can see these are selfies, and this is, you can see it's different. Selfies and existing gallery photo of yourself, photo requirements, and we now can click on generate. So AI label analyzer, we have analyzed the photos. Please confirm or adjust the following details to ensure the best possible results. Black hair, yes. Select the most appropriate option, AI detected black hair. Okay, select the most appropriate option, AI detected short hair. Yes, I have short hairs. And select up to 2 options that apply, AI detected straight hair. Yes. And we can also select another option like curly hair, for example, if we want. Straight hair, it's okay. Selected 1 by 2 options. And next, now you can see average body. Not I have, yes, pluses of muscular body or slim body. Average body I have, yes. And select the most appropriate option, AI detected no glasses. Yes, I didn't use glasses. So we like to confirm your details, like your details like this, and we need for CV, resume, business cards, and email signatures, online platforms like Upwork and other freelancing, hair color and other styles and length, and glasses, no glasses, and hairstyle, this, confirm. And our order is processing. You can see already confirmed. Redirect to order. So it should be ready AI is working now and should be ready in less than 30 minutes. So once it will ready, I will show the headshots. Here you can see all your generated headshots and click on any order to see status or results. You can see this one. AI is working now, so I will get back to you once it will done. So please stay with me. You can see I have also received an email from the Batterpick. We are on it. Thanks for providing all the necessary details. Our advanced AI is now hard at work and sculpting your photos into polished business headshots. Perfect. Give it just about approximately 1 hour and your results will be all set. Although it might surprise you and finish our even sooner. So keep an eye on your orders to view the magic in action. So we will keep an eye on the orders list. And still AI is working. So once it will be ready, I will with you. Please stay with me. Hey, so you can see the results are ready. And still some photos may still be generating. It's showing here. You can see it looks amazing. See? And if now I click on view option, so expect to receive 3 to 10 you love and expect a few you will not use, like not exactly your vibe, but with the right expression, the ideal style and background. So I understand, take me to my headshots. So welcome to my photo, your photo shoot. When you expand a photo, you get the options to like, dislike and share with the gesture. Gesture friendly, like the photo, swipe, drag and right, and your favorites in one place, and you can request an AI edit. So got it. And you can see like the first result is here. So you can use this, arrow to see, move right or left. It looks amazing. See, this one looks perfect. Wow, amazing. See, this is also incredible. Wow, amazing. This is also good. Very good. Incredible. See, so you can use this, heart, like or dislike if you want. And if you want to download, for instance, this one, so you can click here, or you can see this, it has been downloaded. And see, if I open this, so it is open, and you can see here it looks amazing. See, and now you can see if this one BP AI edit, so you can see, so clothing, background, try on beta, and there are different things you can use. If you click on clothing, so you can see, pick your outfit, like casual, business, smart casual, medical, for example, and generate, pick your outfit's color, like, for example, white, and generate photos, sending clothes edit requests. So now you can see, you can generate 4 new images. So thus you can use, this option to make more images. And here you can see AI clothing. So still I have 145 AI credits. Incredible. So I will definitely recommend you to upgrade your plan and enjoy this, incredible headshots. Honestly speaking, I have used some AI headshots platform, but Batterpick is one of the most, powerful and strong and incredible platforms, because the results are really stunning and beautiful. Amazing. So you can use eyes options also. Select eye color, you can change if you want to generate photos, and it will generate with photos eyes. See, more options we have here. Amazing. With some stunning backgrounds. It's amazing. Here you can see. I'm really impressed, honestly speaking. So how was your experience? You can rate your experience here. What did you like? Like, it really looks like me. Yes. Okay. You can share to get the reward. You can share your results and get free headshots. Now headshot will be generated in a random style from all the combinations available. So you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on Twitter, you can share on Facebook, or you can share on LinkedIn as well. So you can see now, see the look is like perfect. Like I selected some medical, some views you can see also here. It's amazing. So BetterPick is really best. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends so they can learn about the BetterPick incredible AI headshot generator tool. And also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.